Hi, my name is Ace, and welcome to the Clovis Tutorial Center. Let's go on in. When you first come into the Tutorial Center, be sure to check in using the iPads by putting your ID in or tell one of our lovely people at the front. If you're here to schedule a writing appointment, let the front desk know what times are best available for you. But if you've already scheduled one, just let the front desk know that you're here and head on over to the writing room.
We're open in AC1 137 on Mondays from 9 to 6, Tuesdays through Thursdays from 9 to 9, and Fridays from 9 to 5. We're also open on Zoom, and that is going to start 1 hour after we open in person. We're also available online only on Sundays from 2 to 8.
Hi, my name is Greg. I'm a STEM tutor here at the Tutorial Center. Once logged in at the front, you can feel free to sit at any of our available tables. Once seated, if you have a question, you just feel free to put your flag up and a tutor will be ready to come over and assist you in your problem. Over on this side of the room, we have textbooks available for any student to use while they're in the Tutorial Center. We also have calculators and laptops at the front desk available for checkout. Over here, we have anatomical figures to use by students as references when needed.
On this whiteboard over here, we have the question of the day. If you're ever in here and you're looking for a little challenge to do, you can solve one of these, and we do this in multiple different subjects. Right now we have math, and over here we have CSci and bio.
We hope that you guys enjoyed the tour of the STEM room, and we hope to see you guys soon.
Hi, my name is Devin Redding, and I'm a writing tutor here at the Tutorial Center. You can schedule a 30-minute writing appointment with any of our available tutors at the front desk. You can also sign yourself in for independent study. Once it's time for your appointment, you can sit at any of our tables. Here we have various handouts to help you with things like APA format, MLA format, and various other writing techniques that you will need to use for your papers.
We have monitors available for use and free printing for anyone working in the center.
We hope you enjoyed that tour of our writing room, and we hope to see you in our center soon.